friends, welcome back to my channel Be Creative with Vaishali. So in today's video we will learn some of the easy drawings that begins with letter N. If you all liked my videos, please give your valuable comments in the comment section below. If you all enjoyed my videos, please hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel to get notified of all my new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. Capital N, small n. Capital N, small n. N sounds N. N sounds N. Now let's begin to draw.